Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to detect specific key presses. How we are going to do that? Well, first make sure that you have a PyInput module. It is not PyInput, it is PyInput module. Pip install PyNput, PyInput. I have it on my system. Just not create that PyInput thingy here, just PyInput. This is a little bit weird, but there you go. That's what we need to work with. So let's grab everything from keyboard option from that module by stating from PyInput.keyboard we are going to import everything, and this is a little bit weird to type for people who are not native English speakers, so I'm gonna press F5 to make sure that I can import module. There you go, it's cool. Now we need to see what's gonna happen when we press specific key and when we let it go. So we need to have two methods here, two functions. So def, when specific button is pressed, so press on, that will be specific key, and then for simplicity reasons we are just going to print on a screen with the help of string formatting. So press is on, but which one? How we are going to get it? Well, we're gonna use placeholder and format that specific key. Don't worry, we're gonna explain a little bit later how to get this key. We need to have like a context manager to do that. Don't worry about that, it's easy stuff to do. So this was the case when we were pressing specific button. What about when we let it go? When def press off, let's say, again that specific key, and we are going to do absolutely same stuff. Actually, I can copy paste from here. Right, I'm gonna copy paste down there, and let's change this to press off. Rest of the stuff will remain same, but we also need to have a way how to get out from script, and we're going to target escape button. How to do that? Well, we need to say if key that we have from here, actually from here, if key equals key.esc, then we will return false. Okay, so much about methods. What about a listener? Well, we will say with listener, and now we need to connect these two methods with what is stated in documentation. So on press, this is from documentation, this must be on the left side, and now we need to connect that thing with press on, which is our own custom method. Okay, and also absolutely same stuff for press off, but on the left side there must be on release equals press off, which is our own custom method from here. Is that enough? No, because we need to have some kind of handle for this operation, and it will be like a L or listener or dude, whatever. Listener. And now what? Well, now it is just enough to say listener.join. And guys, that's pretty much it. And yeah, let's test this stuff. Let's press F5. And now when I start typing something, see, both of these methods will react because they are stated right here. They're called, okay. So you will see both of these things on the screen. Obviously, you can do stuff like textual file logging, sending to sockets, sending to database, sending to some additional scripts, applications, so on. But the moral of the story in this tutorial is just to detect key presses. So yeah, let's type something here, like this, and there you go. T-H-I-S, it is already detected. This is just a test, just a simple test. Enter. So every time when you use specific symbols, see, they will be detected. So when I press home, insert, delete page down, they will also be detected. Numbers will be detected. pluses, minuses, whatever, everything will be detected. What if I do F3, for example? F3 will be detected, but also I'm gonna see this on a screen because F3 will activate something, actually search dialog in idle. So there you go, the thing works. What about spaces? You can press it numerous times, tab, control, alt, everything is here. So now what? Well, if you want to get out from this, like a very simple application, very simple script, it is just enough to use kescape. So let's just press escape, and there you go, we are off. So let me repeat what we were doing here. Import from PyInput module options for keyboard, and then define two methods. Both of them, for simplicity reasons, will just print stuff on a screen. It's a little bit noisy here, but there you go, everything works. And you need to have a way how to get out from script, and in this case that was done when end user presses key escape. Return false means just get out from here. And is that enough? No, we also need to activate critical stuff, which is listener, context manager, and then connect on press with your first dedicated method, and then on release again connect that with dedicated method, and that's pretty much it. So about this listener, whatever you use as a handle for this operation, just use it also down there. You can also use here detector or detective or something like that. Detector, detector. Let me run that thing, F5, and blah blah blah, everything works. Okay, escape, and it's enough in one tutorial. Now you need to now you know how to play around with K presses if you ever gonna need this option. Okay, thank you for watching as always, thank you for support and subscription, and see you next one. Ciao.